So to clean the grinder, you need to remove the bottom screw, that is a nut. So you need a tool, spanner, small spanner with the size of 10, and to remove it, just put the handle first, then use the spanner to remove the screw. After few rotations, this should come off pretty easily. Yeah, after that you can remove the burr, grinding burrs. It will come off so easily. So you can clean this with the brush, and the inner one also with the brush. But make sure if you invert this, you will get the 3 washers come out. So you have, while reassembling, you have to put the 3 washers. There will be another plastic small portion that also may come off. While reassembling, first you need to put the plastic part first, and 3 washers here. After that you can put the grinding burr here. It will be in the proper shape too, which will fit perfectly in the screw. So once that is done, you can put the screw back again. Make sure the flat surface of the screw should be pointing to the burr. So once that is full tight, you can use the spanner to tight the remaining. You can check the thing by rotating. Make sure it rotates fine. You can adjust it as per your need. Yeah, that's it. Now your grinder is clean and ready for use. You no need to clean regularly, you can clean it once in a while. Yeah, thank you.